Hey everybody, today we're checking out two more products from Shine Armor. We're checking out the anti-fog and the Nano Glass Coating. We've been using these products for a little while, but today we're going to try to see if we can showcase for you guys how well these work. All right, real quick, we'll show you what kind of weather conditions we're working in here. Our windshields always fog up shortly after we pull out of the garage here in Alaska. Temperatures average about -20 here in the winter. All right, the problem we have is we take it from a warm garage and we move this out to go plow snow, and then the windshield starts fogging up. We have the North Star edition that has a heater and defrost, but it just doesn't quite work good enough. After a short period of time, the windshield and the side windows all get so foggy you can barely see out of them. The same thing happens when you're wearing glasses and you come inside from the cold. Here's our first issue when we're backing out of the garage to go plow snow. We have a North Star, so it does have a heater, but the heater vents that go onto the windshield just don't quite work good enough. Usually after a short period of time, the windows get all fogged up and it's real difficult to see. Let's see if we can make it happen. And we do need to run the plow, but let's see if we can get this to fog up before we start. All right, I've actually got a little help to create some hot breath in here. Go up. I'm gonna take him out here, see if I can run him around, get him to breathe a little heavier. As you can see, that definitely worked. I know these conditions might be extreme, but it happens the same way. Even if it's raining outside and you get in, you're a little wet, all the windows fog up. Let's take a quick look at the application of these products. Here's the anti-fog. It's super simple. You just spray on the surface, let it dry, and then you buff off the residue. Just coat the surface really well and then let it sit till it dries. While we're waiting for that to dry, we'll go on to the Nano Glass Coating. Again, the application process is really simple. You just make sure your windshield is really clean and dry. Then you apply the Nano Glass Coating. It says to do only half the windshield at a time, but I did the whole windshield and just rubbed in circular motions to rub it in. Then you want to use a different microfiber towel and then buff it in. Then use a new microfiber towel to buff in and clean up any residue that's left over. It takes some work to buff this in, and you definitely have to switch between microfiber towels at each step. If it looks like it's just smearing around, then just take a break, let it sit for a minute, and let it continue to dry. If that doesn't help, grab a new microfiber towel. All right, let's grab my helper again and see if we can get this to fog up. We'll take a little ride down to the church down the street and see if the parking lot over there needs to be plowed. Usually the windshield starts fogging up within a couple minutes of being in it. All right, since we're going out on the drive, we'll go ahead and talk about the products now. As you saw before, both are extremely easy to apply. We'll start off with the Nano Glass Coating. It improves vision during rain, sleet, and snow. It protects your glass from mineral deposits as well as salt spray stains. If you live anywhere up north in the winter, you know what I'm talking about. When we lived in South Texas, we had a lot of problems with hard water, so every time we'd wash our vehicles, we'd have water spots all over all the windows and windshield. Shine Armor's Nano Glass Coating will definitely help with that. I used to be a huge fan of Rain-X. I don't know if you've ever used a Rain-X product before, but after you apply Rain-X, you can drive through a heavy downpour without even turning your windshield wipers on. Shine Armor is like a supercharged version of Rain-X that lasts up to 3 months. Rain-X would last about one rainstorm, but it was definitely worth it. Shine Armor claims their Nano Glass Coating can last up to 3 months. However, they do say that depends on weather and environmental circumstances. Up here in Fairbanks, Alaska, we see some of the harshest conditions on the planet. Temperatures in the winter can get below -60 degrees Fahrenheit. If the Nano Glass Coating will last a month up here, I'd be really happy and really surprised. The anti-fog is very simple. It just prevents your windshield and mirrors from fogging up. It also blocks dust and dirt from static buildup. Alright, we're pulling into the church parking lot here. If you haven't noticed, we haven't seen any fog on the windshield yet. Here it is again, the Shine Armor Anti-Fog. This has many uses: windshields, glasses, goggles, anything you could think of. The Nano Glass Coating protects from mineral deposits, hard water, and pitting. Take a look at this. This really shows. Here's the windshield, no fogging. Here's the side window, no anti-fog on it. You see how it's fogging up. All right, let's also take a look at how it works on glasses. All right, I went outside for about 15 minutes and then came back inside. As you can see here, the glasses started really fogging up. I don't want any of this on the frame of my glasses, so I'm going to squirt it right on the microfiber and then I'm going to apply it straight from there. Now again, I'll just get it nice and wet, I'll rub it in, let it dry, and then I'll buff it off. Now I went back outside for 15 minutes, so let's see how it works. No fog at all. This is just the lens and the light, but let me see if I can get it to focus. There you go. No fog at all. So anyway, we really love these products, and if you're interested in them, we'll leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out.